How to change slide orientation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft PowerPoint and open up the slides. Then you will see design option on the ribbon bar, and then you can see the slide size option on the right hand side. Tap on it and you can see the standard and the widescreen ratio. So you can choose from it. You can tap on maximize, or you can even go to a widescreen and then you can ensure the fit, or you can even go to custom slide size and then put it in the width, height according to your wish. You can even change the orientation to portrait or landscape. And you can even change your notes, handout, and outline to portrait or landscape. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.